This guy found an old Acer laptop at a dump site, and he wants to restore it. Stick around to find out the results. The first step was giving it a thorough cleaning to remove years of grime and dust. He's now opening it up to inspect the inside for damaged parts. He's giving some internal parts a bath now. So it's time to put everything back together, screwing the laptop shut. It's working. So next time you see something broken and forgotten, you might have just found a hidden gem worth restoring. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible videos.